all of you. On behalf of our regional CEO, Shelly Zainab, we are blessed to have her in the country. It's been 3 long years in the waiting. All thanks to COVID, where the travels had stopped, and now thankfully, with the government opening up on the borders, we're grateful to have her coming back into the market. It's as Bure was alluding to us earlier, it's a milestone for us today. Today, as we speak, we are launching not only our 100th tower, we are launching today our 101st tower. So as we've been in the country for the last 16 years and in continuously investing in the network, this year itself, between this year and last year, we've done close to 20 odd towers, new towers which have come up in the country. And this year, as we speak, and we've got Derek over here, our CTO, he can elaborate on the 2 new places where we've actually added these towers and how it's going to change the whole milestone or the scenario in the country. It basically means how we were gearing up during COVID, because we've seen at that point of time during lockdown, all of you were sitting back home working and continuing and running your businesses. At that point of time, we were continuously providing you the best network in the country. By adding in new towers, we are increasing not only our coverage but also the capacity in the network. That means the usage per customer, which was say 4 years ago, maybe just 1 GB in a month. Today we're doing 1 GB in a day per customer. That's the kind of usage which is quantumly increased all over for all our customers. So it's a big milestone for us. With us actually today being one of the top, continuing to lead the market in terms of having the network superiority. Derek, if you'd like to just add up on the areas where we've actually added these new towers.
The strategies is to obviously keep up with what our customers feedback, and we listen to our customers, and that's where we get our direction. We take it on, and then through our management, we look at how to strategically move forward. And we've just recently launched these 2 towers, which have taken us over the 100 tower mark, and we're at 101. And our long term is to continue to grow this, to improve coverage, and also to provide the capacity. The recent ones we've launched are at Talofa, because we've seen a big uplift in throughput, the requirement for data. We're seeing 1 GB a day, so we put in extra sites to get better coverage into families and also the throughputs. We've also looked at Falisela, so we're also not just in the CBD area, but we're looking at the rural areas as well. We believe that Samoa as a whole needs the best coverage we can give and the best throughputs that we can offer to our customers.
So we've got not only this news in terms of our towers, we've got even better news. And I'll let our regional CEO, Shelly Zainab, talk about that.
Thank you, Deepak. First of all, Talofa, Samoa. It is so good to be in Samoa after 3 years, as Deepak mentioned. Coming in out of the airport, looking at all of the amazing villages on my way through and seeing how everything looks so amazing. I was here in 2019, November, so it's actually really 3 years, and I'm so excited to be back. What I'm excited about is the team here and the good work they've been doing in terms of connecting the unconnected, making sure we provide the best experience, network experience, led by Derek here. It's so amazing, and so is his team, who work day and night to make sure our customers, the people of Samoa, have the best options available to them. Like I'm here from Australia, using the network, using the mobile speed, and looking at the quality of videos when I'm watching. It's just second to none. It's world-class experience that we are offering, and it's all from the good work that the team here have done. So I thank Deepak, Derek, and their leadership team to making sure that we continue to invest. Whereas I know as markets where we're challenged with things like a pandemic, people stop investing. But at Digicel, we didn't stop. We continue to invest. And today, with the towers that we're unveiling and launching, is a testament to the commitment that Digicel has to the communities that we operate in. We are committed to making sure that we continue to provide you with the best network. Now, it's great to keep saying that we provide the best network, but it's also great to hear when somebody independently tells us that we have the fastest mobile network. So I know in 2021 we were awarded this. We could have just sat there and said, yes, we've achieved it and we should just relax. This team right here actually went and said, nah, we're gonna get this every year. So another big announcement that we have is that we have received the 2022 Ookla Fastest Mobile Network Award. That is and I will get the superstar here, Derek, to show this because it's a good work he and his team have done to really make this happen, and I'm so proud of Team Samoa and all the good work that they have done. So proud of this. And thank you for our customers for their continued commitment to Digicel. And this award is our commitment to making sure that we provide the best coverage and the fastest mobile network. That's who we are. We are fast. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks, So, yeah, we like open up for questions. Any questions from the press with regards to the award, with regards to the fastest network in terms of coverage or anything? Please feel free to ask us.
Kijk nou toch van achter, we've opened up for any questions the media might have.
No questions are always the best questions. So I think you can come and experience the award for yourself. It's not one of the. I think one of the heaviest trophies we created. We call it the Oscars in our industry.
Yes, you're right. It is definitely the Oscars. It is so heavy. You have to use both hands.
So when you hold it, you actually feel very special. So I think thank you, Derek, and to you and to your team for making this happen and for getting this out.
We're gonna do photo ops right after with our 2021 award. Thank you. Before our video.
Okay, let's do
Let's
that.
play a video.
Oh, we have a video to play. I'm sorry. Yeah, I didn't know there was a video. You want to do that?
Just for the information, that was Derek on the tower.
There was no close-up. Are you sure it's going to stand up?
Alright, there you have it.